Oshkedangishkanga akea au benuchi. That means when the baby's little feet first touch the ground. That is a ceremony that is done 4 days after a baby is born. And what I like about this ceremony is that the tobacco offering from the parents and relatives goes out immediately to those manidug, to those powers that we rely on as a people. It goes up there, and it's from there that little baby will get its help. Those are the ones that we rely on as a people to help us. It's also a welcoming ceremony for the baby. Thanking the manidug for the gift of that baby, for being given to this particular family. And also thanking them for the mother having a safe delivery. And so tobacco and food is offered and usually put on the floor. And that tobacco goes out. Usually you have someone come in and talk for the tobacco and food. It's offered up to those manidug, so that child is helped in their future. And after everyone has eaten, the baby is taken outside, and usually there's a little patch of bare ground there where the feet of that child is placed on the ground. And that's that point where that baby has officially arrived on this earth. And we as Anishinaabe believe that there's a spirit, there's a power in everything in this land. The trees, the animals, the waters, and including in the earth. In the middle of the earth, there is a manidu, there's a power there that sits there. And that is the one that'll send up that spiritual energy as that little baby's feet touch the ground and goes into his being. And that is what will help the baby in its future. And usually, I will ask for different things for the baby when I talk for the tobacco at that time. I ask that they be at peace within, and that not feel like they're lacking anything, and that they be an easy baby to take care of, to be a quiet baby, to be a content baby, and also to be given good health, good movement, and to be taken care of. So I'm always happy when Anishinaabe people do this right away. This is being thorough and following our teachings, and to wait for them to really be good to the baby that just has arrived in their household.